Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be packing for camping and we have 2 bags. Maybe we'll have to split it into 2. And yeah, that's just my sister watching the Switch right there, so that's yeah. Okay. Can you put it down? What do you want? It's mine. You stuff Emma. So first we got this, and I'm gonna put stuff we want to play in the camping in the yellow bag, because this is the one for the 2-hour trip. So first we got this, but I'm not gonna put it in. I'm just gonna keep it on the side so we can put it on top of the bag while we're packing. And shoes, I'm gonna keep all my shoes. And look how cute these gibbets are. I just bought them yesterday. So first we have binoculars, just in case we want to look stuff over in the car. Now we have Eno to play with my sisters, or in the tent. I'm not going to bring that, but we're going to bring this. And some lip gloss. Let's put that in. Oh, you're going to show them what you got? So Manon got this beautiful butterfly. Show them what else you got. Then she has a cupcake and a unicorn. I really like them. You guys? Okay, we're going to keep them there. Okay, we have a hairbrush. Don't know, because... And as well, I'm going to do some bracelet kits. Let's just put beads in a plastic bag. Maybe, I don't know yet, but... No. And so we have these walkie-talkies. Don't know why I'm bringing them, but I just think they'd be fun playing. Not in the car, but you know what I mean. Like the best joke book on earth, and it's a Welsh joke book, so I really do like it. I like to support my Welshies girl. Then we have a Rubik's Cube, because we're going to challenge while in the car for hours and hours. Then we have my Taylor Swift pillows, Harry Potter Cluedo. Playing with that? Oh. I'm gonna bring my selfie stick, and I'm gonna bring my what was I gonna bring?
That's so cute.
I forgot. Chargers. Yes, chargers. So first we're just gonna put my Taylor Swift blanket out in fold. I don't know what I'm doing. This is in fold. Then this, and then this inside, and we're gonna put both of these together. Whoa, okay, that's cool. Now we have this gymnastic ribbon to play, and we had 3 of them. I don't know. I'm really not because in the family. But oh my god, guys, this is thank you so much. Thank you so much for 81 subscribers.
Thank you.
Oh, that was so cute. She literally just said thank you. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, she's wearing her Are you wearing a nappy? Yes, you are. Okay. I was wondering that because I was like, you're in my vid and you... Yeah, guys, maybe... Yeah, I'm gonna... Yeah, I don't know if that hurt. Okay, what are you gonna bring this time? What do you want? I really didn't really okay? Okay, so what do you want to bring? What do you want to bring? Go get the stuff that you want to bring, and we'll show them in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera a bit more down. so she can show you. Okay, go get them. Go get them. So she's gonna go get them. And yes, girl. Yes, girl. Don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, we're gonna just play with this Rubik's Cube ball. She's gonna go get her stuff. They're beautiful. Okay, she's here, guys. She's here. So we have dig to a Soggas back, so 10 princesses. 10 little princesses. What else are you gonna bring? Go get them. Go get them, girl. Oh yeah, and I forgot.
And this one.
And find where's the monster? Pooh. Then we have Betnovate for my eczema. And in Accessible, the festival, I am going to be posting a video. Things you should definitely bring with you if you're going to any festival. Because, yes, you should go. What's that? I haven't posted it yet. Yes. And we got a freebie of a water bottle. We got some chocolate, which was really good. Becca, I think it's time for you to keep that switch. Where's that? Where's that bit? Wait, we lost it. It doesn't matter. Stop doing that. Stop. Okay, go charge it, and then we could put it in this. Let me charge. Okay, I'm maybe gonna have to tag her. I'm maybe gonna have to tag Royalty Family in this vid because. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys all the games that we have. So we have SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom, Rehydrated. Don't know what that is. Mario Kart Deluxe, Mario Party Superstars, and we have Mario Olympics or something like that. Super Mario and Sonic Olympics. Keep that now. We're not bringing it because we have to charge it. And we're only going in a few hours, so yeah. I am gonna bring my phone and I'm gonna charge our tablet. So yes, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the other video.